Her Cornelius. Det går. Så. Kom, videre. Yeah, hello and welcome to Cimbrer Bushcraft. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and I'll tell you the reason why in a minute. But as you can see here, I'm in a wonderful forest, and it's actually a forest I come every day together with Cornelius. So Cornelius is enjoying it, and I'm enjoying it too. But yeah, I got a disease called Graves' disease. Is a metabolism disease that makes my metabolic go crazy. I have too high metabolic, and I've lost about 9 kilos in the last couple of months. And I've been very tired, and I'm sweating a lot, and my breathing is very fast. And that's also because of this disease. So I haven't had the energy to make videos for you for a long time. I was on a little vacation with my wife and Cornelius to Germany, Holland and Belgium, and it was a great experience. We took some pictures there, and yeah, those of you who are following me on my photo channel, my Instagram and so on, can see the pictures there. It started for about a half a year ago. I began to feel a little bit strange, and yeah, my hands were shaking more than it usually do, and so on. And after a while, I went to the doctor, and they found out with some blood samples that I had this disease. So I'm now in good care in the hospital. They are giving me some medicine, and hopefully that will help me to get rid of this disease. They say I can be cured for it in a year or two. So I hope for that. Yeah. And about Cimbrer Camp, I was out there about 3 weeks ago. I couldn't go up to the camp because all the logs all the trees that was cut down were lying on the road, and exactly there where my car usually park. It's a very narrow dirt road, so I can't park on that. so I had to only film it down from the dirt roads, and you can see here how it looks. Most of the forest in front of my shelter is gone, and yeah, they have cleaned it up, and sometime in the future when all the logs are taken away and I have my parking spot again, I'll go out there and make a video from this timber camp. Yeah. And I'm sorry I haven't made any videos and so on, but I'm sure you'll understand the reason why. And I can't say for sure when I'm going to make videos again. Most of the kilos that I have lost is, I read, it is muscle. So my strength is not as good as it usually is. So again, I have to find the strength again so I can go out in the forest and make my videos. I know a lot of you are excited to see my new videos, and you've been waiting a long time. I'm sorry for that. And also those of you who are patrons or support me on Buy Me a Coffee, I understand completely if you want to terminate your subscription for Patreon, and because when I don't upload anything, you don't get anything out of the subscription or your donation from Patreon. So if you want to do that, I completely understand why. But, besides that, I'm feeling okay. As I said before, Cornelius is taking me out in the forest every day, and he's really enjoying it. We have what we call a dog forest or dog park here, when he can run without leash. It's a fenced area, and we go in there and he plays with other dogs, as you all will see in this little video. And then we go out here, and you have to be in leash here because there's deers and foxes and so on. And if you see one of those, he will run after it. So yeah, I think this was all for now. Have patience. I won't quit making videos on YouTube. I just have to wait until my health is ready again to do that. And yeah, it's actually quite a task to make a video when I'm out there. I have to sit down, stand up, and move my camera several times. I also have a lot of gear I have to have on my back, and we go out in the forest, and it's not that easy as it probably seems on the videos. So it's a little bit of work when I make my videos, and that's one of the reasons why I have to wait a while before I do that again. Yeah. I hope you're having a nice summer, and then I hope to see you again very soon. Bye bye and take care. Oh.